Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add notifications and enable notifications on the Petty application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the notifications section. As you can see, the notification status is provisional. Tap on the add and edit notifications button. Click on add the notification, and here you can select from these options. I want to be notified about the average price of petrol or the price of petrol, so tap on it, and here you should select the state and then click on the add button, and also the petrol type should be selected, and the notification frequency, every day, every week, or only when the price hits. And if you are done with adding these information, you should tap on the add button in the upper right corner of the screen to enable the notification that you can turn on and off at this section anytime you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.